Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name's Leo Johnson. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this new arrival. It is a 2025 Scout 240 XSF. This boat is finished in the midnight blue, and it does have the midnight package, so it has the black T-top up top. This boat is really well equipped. You'll see just from the exterior, you're gonna notice this boat's got the windlass anchor here from Lumar up at the bow. It's also got the outriggers on the top of the T-top. If you look up there. Let's go ahead and hop aboard and check out the inside. Welcome aboard this 240 XSF. Start back here at the transom. This boat is powered with a Mercury 300 horsepower V8. It's a great power plant for this boat. And one of the highlight features of these new Verados is you have this access door for your oil. Really easy to remove the cowling as well. While we're back here on the transom, you'll notice we've got several rod holders across the back, as well as a live well in here. We've got our wash down hoses in there for now. Come on inside the boat, I'll show you some of the features here. You'll notice an acrylic block-off door in the walk-through. And as you continue forward, a couple notable features on this boat is just gonna be the sheer amount of rod holders we have. We've got 4 in the back of the leaning post, you got 4 rocket launchers, you've got several on the outside rails, and then as well, you've got some on the gunnels as well. Walking inside, one of these trademark features on these Scouts is this flip-out seat back here. Comes out really nice, gives you a spacious seat, and then goes away very easily when you're not needing it. This leaning post is great because you have some tackle storage in here. Great space to store your items. And then we've done the Yeti cooler upgrade on this boat as well. You see you've got that in there. Coming up to the helm, this boat is equipped with the Seakeeper ride system. So really great system to have. Keeps the boat riding very smoothly. You see we've got it set up on here. In addition to that, we've got our Garmin screen with a lot of options. Things like your video camera up at the bow, as well as your Mercury vessel view for your 300 outboard. We've also optioned this boat with the Fusion audio with the upgraded stereo. We do have a subwoofer down here on the leaning post, as well as a wireless phone charger. See a VHF radio here, and then other just general great controls. It's a great place to stand. You can lean on the leaning post or very easily flip these up to sit. Very comfortable position. This is on a tilt base here, so you can kind of adjust it to your liking. Above me, we do have storage in the T-top. And like I mentioned before, this boat does have some Taco Marine outriggers on it. Very easy operation. They extend out to 15 feet. Coming forward here on the port side, this boat does come equipped with the head. You see down here, we've got the head itself, and we've also got our dedicated table storage for our bow table. Got your battery switching in there as well. Really well done by Scout. Coming up to the very front, we've got storage under the port and starboard front seats. Both do have drains in them that can double as a cooler if needed. We've also got excellent storage under your front seat here, where we've got the boat cover and the table base. We've also got these seat backs here for your front passengers, which can very easily be removed when you're ready to fish. I spoke about the windlass. When we're outside of the boat, you'll see it's very easy to operate from up here. You've got your controls up at the helm and very easy visibility of the anchor here. If you like this boat and want to check it out in person, stop by our showroom in Cornelius or check us out at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.